AI is no longer just a future threat. New announcements show it's already replacing jobs now. Are you next? Find out what's happening today. Recent news from MarketWatch highlights that AI is accelerating job displacement faster than expected. Companies across sectors like customer service, manufacturing, and even creative fields are deploying AI tools that automate tasks previously done by humans. This surge is backed by concrete announcements from major tech firms rolling out AI-driven solutions that reduce human roles, signaling a shift from AI as a tool to AI as a job replacer. The latest AI announcements focus on automating repetitive and routine tasks. Customer service jobs are particularly vulnerable due to AI chatbots handling millions of queries daily. Manufacturing sees AI-powered robotics replacing assembly line workers. Even creative jobs, once thought safe, face AI tools that generate content and design. This means millions of jobs traditionally done by humans are now targets for AI automation. Tech giants have publicly announced new AI deployments in 2026 that reduce their workforce needs. These companies are investing heavily in AI because it cuts costs and increases efficiency. MarketWatch highlights that these announcements are not hypothetical. They represent real shifts where AI replaces human roles, escalating fears about job security across industries. As AI replaces more jobs, workers face urgent pressure to learn new skills. Reskilling and upskilling become critical to stay competitive. Some industries will evolve, creating new roles that require human creativity and complex decision-making. Understanding this AI wave now can help you prepare for the jobs of the future rather than be left behind. While AI takes over routine tasks, skills like creativity, leadership, and emotional intelligence remain uniquely human and in demand. Investing in these areas can safeguard your career. Staying informed about AI developments and adapting accordingly will help you navigate this rapidly changing job landscape. AI is not just coming for jobs in the future, it's happening now. Understanding which jobs are at risk and how companies are deploying AI is critical. For you, that means taking action today to adapt and upskill. Don't wait until it's too late. Subscribe for daily updates to stay ahead in the AI job revolution.